Hi, and welcome back to Gage's 10-Minute Meditations. Thank you for joining me today. Today's practice is going to be on chakra healing. We have 7 chakras, and cleansing them is vital to our overall well-being. Sometimes our chakras are blocked, and when they are blocked, we can feel out of balance, affecting us both physically and emotionally, which can lead to health issues. We can unblock them by healthy eating, healing, and meditation. This will help get these stagnant energies flowing again. To begin the meditation, I'd like you to get into a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, lowering your gaze or closing your eyes, whichever feels most comfortable to you. I want us to start by taking 3 deep breaths in through our nose and out through our mouth. Noticing the temperature of air through our nostrils. Feel it flow in and out. Become aware of the flow of energy in the body. Now you can begin breathing in whatever way feels comfortable for you. Being aware of the flow of energy in our body, do we notice any sensations? Don't try and name them. Just notice them. I just want you to become aware of what it is and accept it. This helps us open up to healing our chakras. Now I want you to notice a bright white light that is beneath you. This bright white light shoots through you, entering the base of your spine and traveling up through and out your head. This bright white light feels amazing. It feels energizing. Feel this light beneath you, shooting up your spine, all the way up to the top of your head and out, going up as high as you can imagine, and going beneath you as low as you can imagine. This light is a cleansing energy for your body. Now I want you to see a red light beneath you that travels up to your spine and to your pelvic floor. This is your root chakra. This red light is energizing you. Appreciate this red light and appreciate your root chakra. Now tune in to an orange light traveling through you below your navel. Feel it amplifying your sacral chakra. Feel it amplifying health and wellness in your sacral chakra. moving any stagnant energy from this position. Appreciate your sacral chakra and give it thanks. As you give it thanks, you begin to notice a bright golden yellow light traveling up you and pouring out directly into your torso below the rib cage. Feel this bright golden yellow light here, amplifying health, energy, and strength in your solar plexus chakra. And as you feel this golden yellow light in your plexus chakra, feel deeply appreciative of this. And begin to bring your awareness to notice a brilliant green light traveling beneath you until it pours out directly into your heart. Feel this brilliant green energy entering in to the middle of your chest, filling your heart chakra. This green light filling your heart chakra is amplifying health and energy. Taking note of how great this feels. And feeling deeply appreciative for your heart chakra. And now tune into a bright light that is blue beneath you, traveling up you until it reaches your neck and pours into your throat, filling up your throat chakra. Feel this blue light here and feel it amplifying health, energy, and wellness. Sending appreciation to your throat chakra. Now tune into an indigo light beneath you, filling you up all the way up until it reaches the back of your head and travels forward into the space of your brows. Feel this indigo light amplifying health, wellness, and strength in your third eye chakra. Really feel this indigo light in your third eye chakra. Give thanks and feel deep appreciation for this. Really give thanks and appreciation to your third eye chakra. And now become aware of a violet light beneath you, traveling up you and emerging out just at the very top of your head. This violet light is amplifying the energy in your crown chakra, magnifying the healthy, radiant energy all throughout your body. Give thanks to your crown chakra and a deep appreciation. You now feel all 7 of your chakras light up by this beautiful crystallizing energy. And that white light you initially saw when we began, you now tune into this light and watch it washing down from as far and high up as you can imagine until it washes all the way down to your spine, into the ground as far as you can imagine. Uniting your chakras in one column of light. Feeling the brilliance of this energy radiating pure and clear, feel deep appreciation of this healing journey that you took with your 7 chakras. And I want you to take the feeling that you have right now with you as you begin to bring awareness back to where you are right now. Rolling your shoulders, wiggling your fingers and toes. And when you feel ready, open up your eyes to the world around you. Notice that you can take this energy with you wherever you are. Healing your 7 chakras is a powerful tool that helps you release stagnant energy and get back flowing in the positive realm. If you feel like you are having stagnant energy, continue to try this meditation. There are also many resources on the 7 chakras. The 7 chakras have been written about for centuries in ancient and healing books. If you feel like this would help someone, please share the free gift of meditation with someone else. Always notice how you feel before and after you meditate, and know that the compounding effects of meditation are great. Continue to do this practice to continue to see the benefits. Thank you for joining this practice, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.